Yo, what's going on, and welcome back to Copywriter's Corner. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about how you should just completely disregard any sort of rule that you've ever learned when it comes to writing anything. And the reason for that is because the thing about copy is that the more it sounds like it's coming from a homie, like we've said before, where I said, write like you speak, the more you can't apply school rules, and that's going to make your copy sound better. You can start paragraphs or sentences with the word "and." You should never have large blocks of text. It should always be very easy on the eyes to read. You can have typos because it's not going to be the worst thing in the world. You can say stuff like bro or what's up or anything like that. School rules do not apply. You can write freely, you can be as crazy about it as possible, and that is going to make your copy stand out, and it's going to make it come out way better if you're not limiting yourself to these school rules that we've learned. So, see you in the next video.